welcome to the Golden Elite Deco channel. Right now you're seeing our new Vanity from Teeny collection. Its wall-mounted design gives your bedroom a clean, modern look. With real Kari Ice Jade marble and comes with a ceramic sink, ready with a pre-drilled hose for a double faucet. It also has smart LED sensor lighting, so it lights up when you need it. Inside, there's plenty of storage space and soft closing drawer that won't slam shut. Plus, it's easy to install, no hassle. If you want style, storage, and smart feature in one vanity, the Milky Brown from the Teeny collection is the one to choose.
So to remove the drawers, you have to find the little hooks on the side, and you have to press it, and then you pull it out, and then you could just put it back in like this.
Visit one of our 4 locations in Montreal or shop online at any time.